Hey folks, this is Chuck from Koaxis. I got another great product to show you today. We've made a coaxial splice from 047 cable to 086 cable. I'm standing here in our connector assembly department. Koaxis designs, manufactures, and assembles almost all of our own connectors. And the ones we're not doing, that's just because we haven't gotten there yet. But because we have such great design department, a great manufacturing department, we're able to do cool stuff like this. Check this out. This is an assembly station where we've assembled a coaxial splice for 047, 086, as I said. This allows us to do a good transition for folks that need better insertion loss, but smaller connectors that are only available for 047 cable or something like that. We can do other diameters as well. We're planning 086 to 120, maybe 086 to 141. But that's what you get when you have a full service manufacturing design department that can do the stuff that we can do. The performance is great and the lead time is better. We've got a great team. They are here working hard for you. I love working with them, and you will too. When you need cable assemblies fast, you need Koaxis. Have a great day.